The shop is a golf store which offers pre-owned and new equipment to golfers. We trade in and give people a chance to try new equipment out in our bays. So we've grown from a very small garden centre convenience store to now we've got a big 6,000 square foot store with thousands of clubs inside. Relied on gas heaters before, which weren't particularly economic and also very focused on specific areas. So we would have certain areas of the store which were really, really hot, certain areas where it was actually quite cold. So we wanted to try and make it so that it was much more of a level heating experience for our customers and our staff.
So Panasonic is always my go-to, and the reason for that is the quality of the product and the support behind the scenes. Within this main shop there's 4-way blowers. They hang from the ceilings, they displace air in 4 different directions, they offer heating and cooling, also purifying the air, killing bacteria. In other parts of the shop there's wall mounted units, very easy to commission, they auto address, and really from the word go they work perfectly.
The customers have 200 plus people coming in through the front door daily, touching everything, all the golf clubs, trying on everything. So with the Nano device, it doesn't just clean the air, it cleans all the surfaces as well. So it's a cleaner environment for the customers and obviously the end users.
Panasonic systems are very energy efficient, all compatible with Wi-Fi. You can do it on the Alexa app as well, and Google Smart Home. Just helps the end user from a control point of view.
Super easy. We've got a handheld device. We can just go on there, increase the temperature, reduce the temperature, set us a consistent temperature if we want to, and everyone seems to be up to speed with it, even me. So yeah, it can't be that difficult.
So Panasonic helped and supported us in terms of if there's any technical queries we had for this particular project and in general. They're very quick to answer our queries, which helps us support our customer.
Having the right climate, making sure that people feel comfortable when they're hitting balls is really important. You definitely want to feel like you're not exhausted at the end of the session. You want to feel like you've really enjoyed it and you've enjoyed the experience. So, come July, August time, we're going to have a lot of people taking shelter in here, I would imagine. So. Winter as well, typically people are going to ranges where there's no heating and it's freezing cold, so it gives us a bit of an advantage to be able to offer a nice sort of warm environment for people to come and practice and play. So it's definitely, I think, going to help us going forwards.